when it comes to adding movies into the queue, there are multiple ways that you can do this. And by the way, I mentioned the word movies, but remember that you can also bring a bunch of other different kinds of files, like audio files and even picture files. But most often you will be dealing with movies. As we saw, we can press on the Add button. That's one way of bringing movies. Another one is if you go to the File pull-down menu and you choose Add, we're going to get exactly the same dialog box that we got earlier by pressing on the Add button. Or, let me just cancel that. Another way that I like a lot, being a Mac user, is from the Finder itself. And by the way, even though I'm using a Mac version of the software, it behaves very similar on Windows. And this other method of adding movies is by navigating onto the Finder, finding the movie that you want to bring in or that you want to add to the queue, and simply dragging and dropping it. As you can imagine, pressing on the Command key on the keyboard, so I'm selecting multiple files, and drag and drop, that's another thing that you could do. So dragging and dropping from the Finder gets you the exact same result as clicking on the Add button or going into the File pull-down menu and choose the option that says Add.